how to download movies for offline watching on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to download the Netflix movies and watch it in your free time? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up a Netflix app and then scroll down and then find what you want to watch, and then you can see the three dots. Tap on it and then you can see download. Just tap on it and the downloading will start. Now after it is downloaded, you need to go to my Netflix in the bottom right corner, and then you can see your downloads right here. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.